Hi students, today we will discuss one of the important concept, that is IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds with examples. In this video, I will explain some complex structures how we are giving the nomenclature. For example, just here I am writing one structure. The structure name is CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. So what is the name of the structure? We are well known that in the given structure, total number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are present. Between the carbon and carbon, they are present only single bond. So that the name of the compound is butane. Butane. It's the very easiest one. Now, in case if they are given a structure like that, for example, CH3, CH2, CH, CH, CH2, CH, CH3 and CH2 and CH3, CH3, C, CH3, CH3, CH3 and CH3. Okay students. Okay, by the writing of the butane name is the easiest one. Then how can we are giving nomenclature for this type of the compounds? So whenever we are trying to giving the nomenclature of a given organic compound, first of all you should write the root word. So if you are writing the root word correctly, 90% nomenclature will be completed. So here they have the methyl group substitution, and they have the one more substitution. Total they have the 3 substitution, and the substitution also they have the side chain. So in that time, how can we are giving the nomenclature? In that time, how can we are giving the nomenclature? For example, giving the numbering is the most priority. So here I am giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I am giving the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, meaning it will be cover only 7 carbons. If I am giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, meaning it will cover the 8 carbons. According to longest chain rule, I am giving numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of carbons are present in the given structure is the 8. So root word is the oct. And third position and the sixth position they have the substitutions, and the fourth position they have the substitution, and the substitution also they have the side chain. So what is the naming of the compound? First of all, here I am writing in the fourth position. So what are present here? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the fourth position in the first carbon it will be present. What is that? Methyl groups 1, 1. What is that 1, 1? It is the di. It is the methyl. And the total number of carbons in the side chain is the 2. So that it is the meth, and that is the ethyl group. ETHYL, ethyl. So bracket close. And total number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And third position and sixth position they have the substitutions. Those are the methyl group are present. So that 3, 6. What is the 3, 6? Di. Why I am using the di? Because in the third position and the sixth position same groups are repeated. That's why I am using the word is the di. Methyl groups, methyl, and the root word is the oct. Between the carbon and carbon here it will be present only single bond. So the name is the ane. So the name of the compound is 4, 1, 1 dimethyl ethyl 3, 6 dimethyl octane. Once students, whenever we are trying to giving the nomenclature, the giving the numbering is the most priorable. So if you are giving the numbering, easily you will identify, usually you will write the nomenclature with the easiest manner. Now we will see one more example. Next example is, just you can look at here, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, C, CH3, CH3 and CH3. And here again I am writing CH, CH3 and CH2 and CH3. Now in this type of the compounds, how can we are giving the numbering and we are giving the nomenclature? So first of all, once you can count here, the total number of carbons are present in the given structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 carbons. So the root word is the nonane. And from which direction we are giving the numbering? From the left to right or right to left? Once you can look at here, if I am giving the numbering from left to right, in the second position they didn't have any substitution, but in the second position they have the substitution. So I am giving numbering from right to left. I am giving numbering from right to left. So the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9. And in the second position and the seventh position, they have the methyl groups are present, and the fourth position they have the side chain, and side chain also they have the substitution. So in that time, how can we are giving the nomenclature of a given compound? And here in the second position and the seventh position they have the substitutions. So I am writing the nomenclature like that: 2, 2, 7, 2, 2, 7. So what are present in the second position and seventh position? They are the methyl groups. So 2, 2, 7 trimethyl, and fourth position. In the fourth position, once you can look at here, again I am giving the numbering 1, 2, 3. So again I am giving the numbering like that. And the first position they have the methyl groups. First position they have the methyl groups. 1 methyl, and the number of carbons in the side chain is the 1, 2, 3. So propyl, and total number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So non. Between carbon and carbon they are present only single bond, so ane, nonane. 2, 2, 7 trimethyl. 4 in the first position they have the methyl group and the propyl nonane. 4 methyl propyl nonane. So it is the structure name. And one more structure, and CH3, CH2, C, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, and CH, CH2 and CH3, and CH2, CH3. Just I am taking one example like that. In this time, how can we are giving the numbering? In this type of the structure, the children they are feeling some difficult. Most probable cases is the chance to write the wrong name. And total number of carbons are present in the structure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I am counting left to right or the right to left, the total number of carbons are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if I am counting like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So As for longest chain rule, I am giving numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will cover the 7 carbons, so that I am giving the numbering, not the straight way, just I am giving numbering like that. So I am giving priority from here onwards. I am giving the priority from here onwards. Why? Because 1, 2 in the third position they have the ethyl group, and the fourth position they have the methyl group, and here it is acting as a side chain or the substitution, and here also it is acting as a substitution, and here also it is the methyl group substitution. So I am giving numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how can we are giving the nomenclature? Once you can look at here, 1, 2, 3. In the third position, what is the group name? It is the ethyl. And the fourth position, what is the group name? It is also, ethyl. And the fourth position also, it is the ethyl group. And fourth position, here it is the methyl. Okay, students. Now I am try to writing the name, and total number of carbons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the root word is the hept, and between the carbon and carbon they are present only single bond. So the suffix is the n. The suffix is the n. So I am trying to giving the naming of the compound. And third position and fourth position, which groups are present? Ethyl. So 3, 4, 3, 4, di. 3, 4, di. What is the di? That is nothing but ethyl groups. 3, 4, di, ethyl. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 3, 5. It's a fifth position. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 3, 4 diethyl, and 4 methyl. 4 methyl, and total number of carbons are present in the given chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that hept, between the carbon and carbon they are present the single bond. So that I am writing the N. 3, 4 diethyl, 4 methyl, heptane. Next example. In exam point of view, they are given the structure like that. And here they have the NH2 group. Here they have the NH2 group, and they are giving the one line like that. So what is the naming of the compound? What is the naming of the compound? Once you can look at here. What is the naming of the compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are present in the given structure. So the name of the compound is the butane. So like that here, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there. But here, this line indicate about it is the methyl group. It is the methyl. And 1, 2 in the third position, they have the amino group substitution. And they have the amino group substitution. It's the amino group. So in that time, how can we are giving the numbering? If you are giving numbering from left to right, 1, 2, it is the just substitution, but it is the functional group. That's why I am giving numbering nearby the functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the name of the compound? What is the name of the compound here? The total number of carbons are present in the given chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. And the third position, they have the amino group as a principal, is the functional group. And they have the one substitution, that is nothing but the methyl group. So I am trying to writing the naming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 methyl. 5 methyl. 5 methyl. 3 amino. 3 amino. What is the root word? H. Between the carbon and carbon, they are present only single bond HN. HN. Okay, students. And next one. And I am writing structure like that: CH2, CH, CH2. And here I am writing COOH, COOH, and here also I am writing COOH. So in that time, how can we are writing the numbering? How can we write the numbering? How can we are giving the numbering? And here also they have the carbon, and here also they have the carbon, and here also they have the carbon. But each and every carbon, they are present one acid group. That's why in that time you can take only these three carbons, and I am giving the numbering 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Both the carbons, they have the same functional groups, that is the acid groups. So I am trying to giving the name is first of all I am writing the root word propane, meth eth propane, and first position, comma, second and third, tri, 1, 2, 3. That's why I am using the word tri, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Okay, student. Next one. Just in the exam point of view, the simple structure, just they are giving the structure like that. What is the name of the compound? And here it is the oxygen. So this part indicate about it is the CH3, CH2, and here it is the oxygen, and here it is the again CH2 and CH3. So now what is the name of the compound? Diethyl, meth eth, and diethyl ether. Diethyl, ethyl, ethyl, diethyl ether. So what is the name of the compound? Diethyl ether. Okay, students, thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.